Katie here, and welcome to my channel. Hey, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing well. I'm doing good, I think. It's all just a matter of perception, really. I have on some Lo-Fi Girl in the background with this over top of it. This is Tembe, an African live feed. I don't know. Maybe we'll see some animals. Today's video I've been wanting to do for a while. You see, I collect coins, and I have for a little bit, pretty much since I started working in the food service industry. People either meant to or accidentally gave me foreign change, and so I started collecting that, which I have quite a bit. Oh wait, no. Okay, so I started with smushed pennies. Like, I have so many smushed pennies, it's ridiculous. I also have like Buffalo Lane coins, Planet Fitness, I have a boxcar coin, things like that. But other ones that I have like a Netherlands coin. Oh, whoa! I even have a Grandfather Mountain smushed dime. So, yeah, that's what started it, was the smushed coins. I started looking at coins. I was like, oh, this one's cool. Oh, hey, this one's pretty cool, too. Oh, no, still nothing. Okay, so these are my coins of interest that I definitely want to look at, or ones that are, like, older. Like, this is a 1935 wheat penny. I also have a silver penny in here, which is worth like 2 cents. But I've got a Canadian coin, 5 cent in here, so I'm just going to go ahead and plunk that in there. My most recent find, if I can find it, was a Buffalo nickel, which was super cool. 1929 Buffalo nickel. It's not in the greatest condition, but I mean, this thing is near 200 years old. Is that really 1929? It's 100 years old, almost. So the reason of this video, I have procured nickels from the bank that my work gets their coins from. I'm pretty sure someone just like unloaded their grandparents' old coin change onto them or something. But I've been finding super cool stuff. There was a lot of silver coins, nickels that I found, and I found the Buffalo nickel, like I said. But so right here we have that one with the boat on it. Wow, I'm so knowledgeable. The Lewis and Clark nickel. So I'm just gonna dump these out, I guess. And we'll go through them. Should I keep that? I don't know if I should keep that. This is, I think it's a 2017, but it's nicked, which I don't think is an error in mint, but it could be. Hopefully, I don't know how I'm going to film this. I really don't. This one is a 1999, kind of cute. This one looks more worn. It's a 1995. Not seeing anything special about this one. Maybe I'm confused, actually, and I know I probably need a coin microscope to actually figure out if these have like doublings or other miscellaneous things going on with them, but I'm confused of what a broad strike is, because I do find a lot of coins that they around the edges looked more curved, but I don't think that's what a broad strike is. Okay, so this is a 1973 D mint mark. It's worn. Nothing too special about this one. This one looks newer. We have 2019. So we have this one, 2019. This is a 2020 D mint mark. Wow, I really thought this was going to be a quick video. Hold on, I'll be back. This is my magnifying glass. It has a light on it. Very technical over here. Wow, I'm not going to be able to see whether or not these coins are in focus. I know it's not the most ideal, but it's what I got. Yeah, I don't think that one has anything special on it either. This one's a 1955 P mint mark. Definitely not in great condition. We have a 1996. It does have a little bit of a strange ridge on the edge. Like, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, but the edge has like a, here, it's like pushed down in it all the way around. So I don't know. I'm going to hold on to that one. Put it in the look at pile, which I threw in there, which is probably not the best idea because it could hurt the coin. I don't know. Next we have a 1997 P mint mark. Wow, this works pretty well. Next up we have a 2001 P mint mark. Oh wow, okay. I thought this was working. So we have that. Okay, so this is a pretty nice condition, I'd say. 2016. It's not old. It's not new either. So next we have a 2019 P. There really is no good way to do this, is there? Oh yeah, I forgot. There's a thing you can do where if it's off center, so the coin's supposed to be, when you flip it over, be the same. So like if you hold it and you flip it and the image is off centered at all, it's worth something. No, I don't think that one is. Brief intermission while I check all of these. The last one I checked is just ever so slightly angled off. Wait. I'm gonna hold on to it just because. The next one is a 1984. It looks like a P. But here's what it looks like. If I can get a good picture of it. Meh, kinda. So this is a 2018. It's pretty nice. I wouldn't call it a 70, but a thing on the back. Wow, that's what I meant to do. Like right here, just like a mark. I don't know. It looks like something was there and then it got rubbed off. Okay. We have a 1976. Also not the best. Doesn't look like it passes the flip test either. We have a 2019 here. And the flip. Ah, nah. Oh. Oh, this one's heck beat up. 2016 P with the flip. Ah, yeah, that looks straight. So next up, another 2016 P. So I guess that's not a low mint mark, maybe. He's got a little nick in his nose, but that's probably after the fact. Flip test looks good. 2019 P. I feel like I should be sitting closer to the camera for this, but I'm not. Okay, we have a 1991 D mint mark. Oh, I'm not good at this. Okay, so we have a 1964. Here's the back, the reverse of it. Next we have a 1976. I don't think it has a mint mark on it. It might just be like super worn off. But that's that. And then the flip test seems pretty good. But, oh! This is a 1958. We're getting there. I don't think at this point they were silver either, though. That's kind of what I'm mostly looking for, just because I think it's cooler. Like, the older the coin, the cooler the coin. It has a nice texture on the back, too. I'm going to keep it. That's how I collect coins. This is a 2021 P mint mark. It's just a coin. Okay, we have a 2001 D mint mark. This is a 1980. No mint mark, I believe. Doesn't seem as though it has much special on this either. But like I said, I don't really know specific dates and what I'm looking for. I haven't researched much. I do watch couch collectibles. So that's a thing. He's, I guess, the most subscribed to US coin collector on YouTube. Is the 2017 P coin with a dollar store magnifying glass with a light on it. So there's that. Okay, so we have next a 2020 P mint mark. Cute. This is a 2019 P. And it looks like it passes the flip test as well. Okay, now we have a 1999 P. It's scuffed up, but like the image is pretty clear, if you're asking me. So we have the 1985 P mint mark. Does that look like it was struck through grease? Could potentially be. If I could get it focused. Oh my gosh. Maybe. Not really. Like up on the top dome. No. Maybe. Doesn't hurt to keep it for a second. Okay, next is a 1962 no mint mark. And it's not great condition. This is a 2021D. It looks like a coin that was minted this year. And then this is a 2017P, which is in great condition. So I'm going to be keeping this. It barely looks like it's been circulated. It does have some nicks on it. But it looks nice. And I'm not really collecting for money. I'm collecting for like the cool factor. I don't care what you said. I'm pretty sure anybody who has lasted this long, I looked at the thing, it's at 37 minutes I've been filming. That means this video is at least going to be 15 minutes long. Anybody who's made it this far thinks coin collecting is cool. So we're in the same boat, right? This is a 2005 P mint mark with the Lewis and Clark 1805 200 year anniversary thing. I'm pretty sure it's 200 years. 1805? 100 years? No. What? Because 1805, 1905, 2005, 200 years. I'm going to keep it just because. 20D mint mark right here. And it's cute. We have a 2017 shiny. But I can't get a good image of it. I don't know why. There we go. That's a thing. And then here's the 2004 one from the back of the coin. Right here. And it's not a buffalo nickel. We didn't find anything like that. That's fine. I'm gonna keep it. Well, anyways. This has been exciting. Thank you for watching. I hope that you have a lovely time wherever you're at, and I've gotta go. Bye. Love you.